If you guys really enjoy fishing and you want a spot to actually store all your rods and other things too, these right here might be a great option for you. I'm going to show you how to install them because that's actually pretty easy. It all depends on your garage door. Now I do have the hollow tubes right here, which seems to be like the easy way to install them. But this guy here, John, he is like amazing. He included like these detailed instructions, including like almost every single garage door available with it. So let's go ahead and jump in here real quick. With the hollow tube, all you have to do is just take this right here and basically just push it up in here, bring it down there. Look, we're already halfway done. We're just gonna go ahead and move it like this, push it in there, boom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my zip ties here. I'm gonna go ahead and go right through my hollow tube with it and up and around through here. And I'm going to zip tie it down. That way it's not going to move anywhere. Oops. Nothing like getting the zip tie in the way. And it's actually supposed to go through here. I wasn't paying attention, so I apologize. So you can actually go ahead and move it right through here if you want to. There are detailed instructions. Did I mention that? So we're going to go ahead and just place it right in here, just like this. Makes it nice and easy. And you go ahead and cut this here off. So when the garage door opens, this here is not going to move at all, and your pole is going to stay right there in place. I really don't have a pole, but I do have this guy here with me today. So I can easily pretend this is my fishing pole, really thick fishing pole, but it can easily just slide down in here like that. If I put it on the right level. There we go. Just like that. And then when the garage door opens, this here will follow the garage door, and I'll be able to store it that way too. So you can put a lot more things in here than just fishing poles. So if you want to use this here for other things too, so if I have even longer poles over there too, I can also fit those right there in. About what is that? About an inch diameter. You can probably fit in there with it. Altogether, a really great design. It does include other parts with it too, and it all depends on what kind of garage door you have. Like I mentioned before, he's done an amazing job of giving like really detailed instructions with it, and he's very helpful too with it. But yeah, it's a great way to go ahead and store all your fishing gear right here on your garage door for you, and with a really super like 1 minute install. I hope you guys found this helpful.